In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the QuickBooks email template. If you're a business owner or an accountant looking to customize your communications, you're in the right place. This quick guide breaks down the process into simple steps so you can make these changes seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to sign into your account. You can do this by heading over to the QuickBooks Online page. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose QuickBooks Online from the menu. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's straightforward, just look for the option and click on it. Next, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Now remember to use your existing email address and password to sign in, as this will give you access to your personalized QuickBooks dashboard. Once you've entered your details, simply hit continue. You'll soon find yourself on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you'll carry out most of today's tasks. Now that we're in, we need to head over to the settings. You can usually find the settings icon by looking for a gear-shaped icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will drop down a menu. From this menu, select Account and Settings. It's here where most of the customization begins. With Account and Settings open, you'll want to click on the Sales tab. This is your gateway to editing the templates that your clients see. Once the Sales tab is open, look for the section that says Messages and go ahead and click on it. This is where you can tweak the email templates that accompany your invoices and other sales forms. In the Messages section, you'll see options to edit the email message that corresponds with your invoice template. Feel free to craft a message that resonates best with your brand's voice or the tone you want to convey when communicating with clients. This is your chance to personalize how you engage and communicate with your clients, so make it count. Once you're happy with your message, the next step is to refine the email subject line. This is the first thing your clients will see, so it's vital to make it clear and professional. A welcoming subject line can help set the tone and encourage your clients to open the email and view any attachments. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button. It's crucial to ensure all your changes are preserved. By clicking Save, you confirm that your personalized email templates are ready to reach your clients, and there you have it, you've just customized your QuickBooks email template to better fit your business needs. It's a simple change that can make a significant impact on your client communications. Thank you for watching, and happy business managing.